Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use advanced voice typing on your Pixel 10. So, at first you have to navigate to the system. Here's settings here, and now system here. Now go straight to the keyboard and on screen keyboard. Here go to Gboard. And now select voice typing. Here enable the advanced features here, as you can see. And as you can see here, they have punctuation, auto switch language, and enter voice typing, faster voice typing. And now we can check how does it work. Of course, language settings must match what you say. And now, hey Google, type. And as you can see, here they have type. So let's, for example, do an experiment. Tap this microphone icon. And now, hey Google, clear all. Clear all words. As you can see, it didn't work now. I don't know why. Let's maybe go to the messages and write it somewhere here. For example, maybe here and maybe here. Let's try it here. While using the app, it should be hey Google, I want now to text you and try experimenting some with the advanced features of voice. Emoji, smile emoji. Now, I don't know if I didn't enable that. Oh god. So now I'm speaking. Clear all. As you can see, command doesn't work. Smile emoji. Smile emoji doesn't work too. But maybe send. It doesn't work too. So maybe comma, dot, 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 dot. As you can see, sometimes it works, sometimes doesn't. I don't know why that it doesn't work, but that's actually how to use it. We have all of the commands, plenty of commands that should work here. For example, the last word, clear all, emoji name, like for example, emoji, next, send, stop, etc. I don't know why it doesn't work. I have set everything correctly. If you still doesn't have it working, you have to wait until Google releases an update that fixes the issue. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.